Configure Visual Studio Code for 3 Playwright headless browsers. Execute a simple JavaScript Playwright code in Visual Studio. Create an SSH key pair. Configure GitHub to use the public SSH key for connecting. Push your code to GitHub and trigger GitHub actions. Modify the YAML file defining steps in GitHub actions. View the results of GitHub superlinter analyzing your code. Create a new folder where you want your project to be. Start PowerShell and cd to this folder. npm install Playwright. npm init Playwright at latest. This would allow you to choose between TypeScript or JavaScript sample project to be created on your machine. Name a subdirectory for test code. Say yes for GitHub actions. Say yes for browsers. After the script finishes running, you should see the test examples, your custom named test folder, and GitHub-specific folders automatically created. Start Visual Studio Code and select Open Folder from the drop-down menu called File. Open folder that you in which you had been running the npm commands. In the left-hand sidebar of Visual Studio Code, click on the Flask icon, which represents a test view. Within 10 seconds, a green triangle should appear next to each test. Press Ctrl+Shift+X. Install browsers for Playwright. With VSC inactive, focus the trio CMD+Shift+P. Then type test. Install Playwright browsers. In Visual Studio Code, start terminal and select Git Bash. Execute. Git init. Git add. Return to PowerShell. Execute. cdc /users /ssh-4096c cat/.ssh/idrsa.pub. If not already done previously, in the browser where you are already logged to your GitHub account, create another tab and navigate to the following link. Click the button New SSH Key and paste the public SSH key as a new item on the list of SSH keys. If not already done previously, execute. Ditch repo list to see if your repository is in GitHub. If not, add manually. Git commit'em, first commit. Git branch main. Git push main. If lost, note that the instructions are provided by the repository itself. Note as well that actions contain the first instance executed and passed. This instance does not have GitHub superlint in it. We need to add a superlinter job to our workflows playwright.yml file.